In a hydronic heating system, a black iron pipe could last over 50 years, as long as the water stays inside the pipe. However, if you have any of your joints leaking, it will cause the pipe to rust and it will not last you more than 3 or 4 years. This boiler was installed by a plumber in 2019. Here we are in 2023 and the pipe is completely rusted due to a very small leak in the joint. When the plumber installed these pipes, he only used pipe dope, which is one of the reasons why we have so many leaks. So I decided to use Teflon along with pipe dope to avoid any future leaks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.